Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install DeepSeek. So for this you have to go to an internet browser, I suggest to go to the Chrome, and after you click on the Chrome you have to search for the DeepSeek, and here you will get the DeepSeek after searching. And after getting to the DeepSeek, and you have to click on the first option here, and then you have to choose the English version. If you are from English language country, then you have to click on the Start Now button. And after clicking on the Start Now button, if you don't have any account, then you have to create one. After that, clicking on the Start Now account, and after creating an account, you will see this page. And after that you have to click on the three dot and then click on the cast, save and share. And after that you have to click on the save page as. So you have to click on the save, then it will most likely to get downloaded, and then you can easily pin the DeepSeek app in your taskbar. And if I need to show you how it will work after pinning, and after pinning here you can directly click on it and it will most likely to give you this website. So that's how you can download and install DeepSeek. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in the next video.